Can get overwhelming. We are your expert computer repair and service company that can solve your problems quickly. We offer computer repair, virus removal, software and hardware upgrades, network setup or troubleshooting, laptop and desktop sales, comprehensive diagnostics, data recovery, and many other services. When you need someone who can get you up and running quickly, call us and we'll be there.
Is your computer running slow, constantly crashing, hanging up, rebooting? Are you fed up with your computer's performance? Don't have the cash to buy a new computer? Do any of these problems sound familiar? Blue screen of death, applications that won't install, applications run slowly, got virus or spyware problems, need data recovery? Maybe you just need help setting up your new computer. Give us a call. Our trained staff is ready to help. We can get your computer running like new again.